Distora. Regas number 18, another Distora. Yes, two. Yabugyunan kay Mr. Amabaksik Sports TV. Nagdalo po na dito sa Barangay Tawad para live natin kanang.
Wala. Bas na lang. I-record ko lang. I-upload ko lang, boss. Mayan nga ni.
The championship game between Purok 2 and Purok 4. A jump between Dr. Nero and Distora. Okay, and it up. Rebound pass number 25, Dumangas. Dumangas to Cristobal. Back pass to Dumangas. Here comes Dr. Nero, number 12, and number 20. Pull up, jumper, shoot, turnover. Rebound pass number 23. Here comes Distora with the ball now. Distora on the basketball. Distora. As to Aganan. Pull up, jumper, second rebound at number 10, Dr. Nero. Dr. Nero to number 20, Dr. Mangas. Pero babalik sa team, Purok 4. Rebound pass to Distora, number 23. Distora. Regas number 18, another Distora. Yes, 2 points. Girls basket of the ball game para sa team Purok 4. And the pass stolen away. Here goes Aganan. Being harassed by number 20. And to number 8, Antaya. Antaya with the ball now. Antaya attack the defense. An offensive foul. And it goes in number 8, Antaya.
Ano galing kayo si PG? Nag-iiwas mo na yung
There goes number 25, Dumangas with the ball now. Dumangas. Extra pass to Jose number 10, Dr. Nero. Pass to Dumangas again. Dumangas. Negative. After the rebound by Distora number 20. Over pass to another Distora number 23. Back pass. Here comes number 18 again. Basket 2 points by Distora. 4-0 now. Here comes Dumangas number 25. Dumangas. Number 17, that's Cristobal. Cristobal back pass to Dumangas. Dumangas number 25, extra pass to Perillo. Perillo with the ball now. Kick the pass, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 5 seconds. It's a traveling violation. Turnover. Rebound pass to jersey number 23, signaling the play by Distora. Distora guarded by Cristobal. Distora and the pass number 20 up and under. Negative. After the rebound.
Medyo. Patos.
Urban Sumangas number 25. Sumangas serving at the bay, guarded by number 20. Okay, traveling violation. Rebound pass number 23, Distora. Distora to number 18 again. Good up jumper is in the next set by Distora. And number 18 lahat ng score na po 4. Perillo to Cristobal. Cristobal negative rebound Distora. Bounce pass to another Distora number 23. Distora leads the ball. It's a turnover. 7 minutes. We're getting time for the first quarter. Against number 25, Dumangas. Dumangas to Cristobal. Over again. Time out. Purok 2. The score 6-0.
Kaya ko hindi lang, basta lawas sa lawas. Kaya kung paano ako nagamit siya, pinagamit ako. Naligay ang kami, hindi ko rin.
Way back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 50 seconds for the first quarter. Even pass to the Stora number 23. The Stora guarded by Dr. Nero. The Stora, all of jumpers they good. And for the rebound, gets a rebound again by the Stora. The Stora pick up pass to number 8 and Daya on the outside overboard. Here comes number 20 and number 6. And Boda, ang pupunta sa Pura Clerks. Rebound pass to number 12, Dr. Lero. Dr. Lero to Perillo. Perillo from the outside, they get a rebound. There goes number 17, Cristobal. Cristobal with the ball now being arrested by the Stora. 11 seconds on the shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. Rebound pass, Perillo. Singling the play by Perillo. Bounce pass to Cristobal, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Block.
Ano ay walang tirador. Ito yung shooter. Shooter! G!
Rebound pass number 8, Andaya.
Ito. Ultimate limit.
Andaya with the ball now. With pass to another Stora number 20. The Stora to get the ball again. There's a pass to number 18. Pull up play negative. After rebound by number 17. Cristobal to Perillo. Perillo with the ball now. Perillo guarded by Andaya. Perillo to Dr. Lero. Dr. Lero, turn around jumpers, good. Trying to put a rebound. It's a rebound by Dr. Lero, number 12. Dr. Lero all the way to the basket. Acrobatic pass from the outside, number 17 from the corner. Ideal. It's a rebound again, Dr. Lero.
Ito yung shooter. G mo.
And there's a whistle. Foul call against the number 18. And 2 shots awarded by Dr. Lero. The first throw and away jumpers get ready for the second attempt by Dr. Lero.
Ay pa, isyator! Wala! Wala pa pilit-pilit na.
Okay, another one. Substitution. Dr. Lero out. Zapatos coming in. Okay. Forward donation. Through. Rebound pass to the Stora number 23. The Stora guarded by number 20, Dr. Lero. The Stora. High pass, extra pass to number 7. And there's a visa foul and calling there's the number 17. Esteban. First throw, basket jumpers, get ready. Second attempt, good rebound by number 20, Dr. Lero. Pass to another Dr. Lero. To Zapatos, jersey number 7. Zapatos to Perillo. Perillo with the ball now. Perillo ready for his teammate to Cristobal number 17. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Perillo, zigzagging pass to jersey number 12. Pull up J negative rebound. There goes number 18. Forward pass to Andaya number 8. Kick out pass number 23. This corner lays it up negative. Rebound by Zapatos. Zapatos number 7 with the ball now. Zapatos to number 20. Extra pass to number 17. There goes a reason foul. Para jersey number 7. Illegal contact to the hand by Aganan. 4 minutes and 5 seconds.
Awa!
Race throw. Wala kay Jumpers. Get ready for the second attempt by Cristobal. Second try, wala pa rin. Rebound by Pirillo. Pirillo kick out pass number 17 to number 20. Dr. Lero again. Rebound agad Andaya. Andaya to number 23. Bustora. Lays it up in. 9-0. Di pa nakaka-score ang Proctos. Number 7, Zapatos to Pirillo. Wala. Subdivision. Dr. Lera number 20 moves out. Yes, coming in. Here comes Bustora number 23. Bustora on the basketball, signaling the play. Bustora to another Bustora to number 20 Bustora, guarded by number 8 Yes. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 3 seconds violation. Kita-kita na tayo sa video.
May lights.
Highlights na naman. Subdivision. Batalero out. Dumangas coming in.
Panis si Bagtong. Panis.
Evans number 25 Dumangas. That's to Zapatos number 7. Zapatos to Cristobal. Cristobal. Full of jumpers. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Yes. Shot.
No, baka nagkaroon sa... Kaya pa magkasabot-abot.
9-0 now. Hindi pa rin nakaka-score ang Proctos. Number 17, Cristobal, kick out pass, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Yes, with the ball now to Dumangas, number 25, step back. Wide open for 3 points. Dumangas. Maulo na ngayon. Number 23, Bustora, babawi. Wala, rebound. Here comes number 6, Pirillo. Forward pass, number 8, extra pass. Binalik pa sa labas. Ito na si Pirillo. Pirillo behind the back pass to Zapatos. Zapatos, lays it up in. (9-5). Baba sa 4 ang kalamanan ng Puro-4. Here comes Andaya, number 8. Andaya to number 20. Bustora, 2 points. Dumangas with the ball now. Dumangas to Zapatos. Zapatos lose the ball. Ibola, napupunta sa Puro-4. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Here comes Bustora, number 23. And the pass to number 20. Number 20. May kasamang foul.
Wala ko ng lobe. Dito ko, kita mo.
Foul jersey number 6. Illegal contact to the hand by Pirillo. First personal foul, Pirillo. Second team foul para sa Proctos. First attempt, wala kay Jumpers. Get ready for the second attempt by Bustora. One minute and 30 seconds. 5-12. 7-point lead para sa team Puro-4. Rekan Zapatos to number 8 Yes. Full of jumpers and let's support you guys. Rekan Bustora number 23. Signaling the goal by Bustora. Bustora with the ball now, guarded by Yes. Bustora with the ball. And there's a foul. Ball goes to number 8. Yes, out. Dr. Lero coming in. Lima center sa Pedro Estabala. High pass Zapatos. Harus steal by Andaya. Harus steal by Cristobal. Cristobal number 17. Receive the ball. Cross court pass number 7. Extra pass number 10. Dr. Lero. Extra pass number 17. Cristobal ako na attempt. And there's a foul on the jersey number 20. Distora pushing foul. First personal foul, Distora. Warning for penalty. Porok 4. 48 seconds.
Ano, galabiti yun?
There's a back basket numbers. Get ready for the second try by Cristobal.
Ilan mo, basta silang. Magic.
Sa loob. Sa loob naman na sila.
Rebound Dr. Lero, kick out pass to the Mangas, number 3 with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Dr. Lero, kick out pass to Pirillo. Pirillo, attempt, figure. For the rebound, number 17 to Pirillo. Pirillo with the ball now, Pirillo. On offensive foul, on the jersey number 6. Pirillo, second foul. 33 seconds. Warning for penalty. Porok Dogs. Number 23, Distora to number 18 again, Distora. There goes a foul. There's number 17, Cristobal. Landing spot by Cristobal. Second foul by Cristobal. The first throw basket numbers, get ready. 22 seconds. Zapatos relaxing through the 15 seconds. And the pass Dr. Lero. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the first quarter is score 8-14. 6-point lead para sa team Porok 4.